right, hello everybody. Hi, my name is Teacher Twigs. How are y'all doing today? Good? Great. Good, it's nice to see you. Good, all right. So today, we're gonna do some things that people aren't normally okay with in the classroom. I'm gonna do this, so just you be aware. But we're going to go through the introduction. I'm going to show you an image, and we're going to talk about that image. Afterwards, we're going to play a little game, okay? And then we're going to talk about the main grammar that we're going to be talking about, why we're talking about all these different things, why we're doing these different activities. And then we're going to do some brainstorm, so specific words that we're going to be using. Then we're going to do a couple activities. Okay? So first, so look at this image. The name of this image is called The Gossips by Norman Rockwell. What is gossiping? Telling someone a story, good, or telling somebody something. Okay. So let's see if somebody can count. How many different faces do they see in here? And what are they doing? What's going on in the picture? Can you tell me? Good. They're telling each other something. Good. All right. So that's fine. So all these different people are telling each other something, the same thing. So now everybody usually knows this game. So we're going to play very quickly. Whisper down the lane, or telephone. So one person tells another person something, tells another person something, tells another person something, tells another person something. We can modify this as well too. So we're going to add things on. So first we're going to do a round, just one sentence. Just round. Now everybody has to say something new. So adding to a list. So then one thing, second thing, third thing, fourth thing. Good. So then we're going to keep on going on. So why are we talking about this? So we're going to be talking about a part of grammar called direct speech and indirect speech. Can anybody tell me what that is? Does anybody know what that is? So direct speech is when it comes directly from someone. Indirect speech or reported speech is something that someone else says that you are saying. Depends on who you're talking to, depends on who told you, and when they told you. So there's lots of different rules for the different times about when somebody told you, what they told you, how they told you, okay? When would you use it? So, when do you think you would hear it? So for an example, so somebody take out your phone, okay? Take out your phone. So what do you use to text people? Just a good iMessage, WhatsApp, you have WeChat, Telegram, Skype, all these different, and all these different things. That was not planned. So all these different ways, okay? So read to me the text that you have. Now tell me, how did somebody say it to you? Okay. So they said this. They told me this. Okay. That's what we're going to be focusing on. But now let's look at a text from yesterday. Yesterday they told me. So now we're going to go through some different rules. We're going to look at some examples, and then we're going to look at the rules, okay? So the difference between direct speech, indirect speech. How are they different? What do you see? What's added on? Who are they talking to? Good. So we'll go through past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and adding in pronouns, demonstratives, and adverbs of time and space. Okay, so now we're going to do an activity. So what you're going to do is you have a piece of paper with different images of different professions. So we have a doctor, we have a farmer, and so you're going to try to guess what the person's profession is by asking questions. So, has this person ever asked you if you want to buy some eggs? And try to do that structure. Okay, so we'll practice that structure for a little bit. Okay, good. So now, we're going to look at some texts. Now we're going to try to change this text from direct speech to indirect speech. Now, who is talking? Who is texting? So we have Jason, and we have Becky. So those two are talking. So what did Jason say? What did Becky say? Good. All right. So then we're going to go through this, and you're going to use this sheet to write down who said what. Okay, very good. And then you can practice with a text that you have. How would you say it? So, My mother told me that she is going to the grocery store. My mother told me she was going to work. Good, great. All right. And now, so we're going to practice using the reported speech all together. So we're going to make a group chat. So, anybody know how to make a group chat in WhatsApp? So we're going to add people, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you some prompts, okay? And then you have to tell your partner what I said. Your partner will have to tell you how to solve the problem, okay? That's how we're going to respond. So we're going to say what your partner said to you, what I said to your partner. So we're going to use these structures and then using it with a group chat. So we're all going together. Okay? So also we're going to do some brainstorming. So we'll think about some different words that we have. So we don't just say. So told, screamed, yelled, asked, requested, suggested, and different ones. All right, awesome job. So great, so we went over quite a few things today with direct speech and indirect speech. So thank you guys, and I can't wait to hear what you guys tell me on WhatsApp.